Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Today I'll show you how to send your deleted messages from your iPhone. I mean default inbox. This is your default inbox. So if you want to see your deleted message, then how you can see? I'll show you how you can see. And stay with me, and I'll show you how you can recover. All right. So first of all, you go to your inbox. I show you first delete. Right. So now you want to see, right? Start again, inbox. Then you can just tap on the filters button. All right, filter button. Now showing the many options. Then you can just choose the recently deleted in the bottom options. All right, tap here. Then showing the true move. Oh, sorry, true points. I just delete this one. Now I just recover this one. Just select. You can select many messages as you want to recover. And this is the last 30 days stay here, then it will be automatic will remove from here. So you remember, if you want to recover, you can just recover last 30 days message as you delete. All right, so first you can select your message, then you can just tap on the recover button. All right, tap and recover message. Now go back and tap on all message. All right, and yeah, I just recovered this one. So that's it. Is the easy process, and let me know if you have any problem. I mean, if you face any problem, then you can just comment. Then I will try to reply as soon as possible, and let me know which one you want to the next video. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.